Hey everyone! For today's video, I'm making a bunny as a hunting trophy. I know it's not papercraft, but I feel like I'm just a tiny bit burned out by the papercraft stuff. So I just wanted to do something that would be fun to make. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like just so I know that someone's actually interested in this type of videos. But anyways, for this project I used a circular, I think it's like a mat board. I drilled 2 holes inside just so I could put the wire through, and I used the wire as an armature because I found it much easier to sculpt over something sturdy. Also, I'm using desk clay, but I will also link a different air dry clay which I find really nice to work with, and it might be a bit more forgiving for a beginner. So for the clay, I do 1 layer. The first layer is basically just to get the general shape of the thing, the bunny. So once it's fully dry, I can just start like actually sculpting the bunny. So once I was happy with the bunny, I applied a coat of clear gesso. I decided not to use the white gesso just because I feel like the white gesso has a plasticky feel to it, and I don't know if it's just my gesso, but it's less plasticky on the clear gesso. For the background of the bunny, I used fabric, but you could also paint it with acrylics. For the collar, I decided on some stripy fabric, and basically you want to do like a gathering stitch, and I didn't show in the video, but basically you pull on the thread so it kind of gathers, and then you just make a knot at the end. I decided on a frame so it kind of imitates the picture frame. So I just used some cardstock. I did kind of go a bit too dark on the frame, so I did repaint it later on, and I think it kind of looks better as a lighter color. So I'm really happy with the end result. I think it looks super adorable. I didn't show in the video, but you're supposed to put like a picture frame hook on the back sides, and then you can hang it on the wall. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.